Welcome to Chandra College of Technology, Lucknow, where innovation meets education. Today, we dive into the future with our AI-integrated digital marketing seminar, a game-changing event designed to equip our students with the tools of tomorrow.
From engaging speeches to hands-on AI demos, this seminar wasn't just about learning. It was about experiencing the power of technology in the real world. Our students explored how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way marketing works, from smart ad targeting to content automation and customer insights. With interactive sessions, real-life examples, and expert guidance, they saw how digital marketing and AI are no longer separate. They're a powerful team. Inspirational talks from our mentors lit a spark of curiosity, confidence, and career clarity among our budding digital leaders.
This is just the beginning. At Chandra College, we're not just teaching, we're transforming futures with practical, job-ready skills. The future of marketing is AI-driven, and the future starts right here.